This is Ben. I'm in the washer and dryer area of our house, and I'm replacing the heating element in our Kenmore dryer. First thing I had to do is pull the dryer out and remove the ventilation. Then I had to remove the back. I had a number of screws, and the dryer element here is at the bottom of this shaft area. So I disconnected the wires and then pulled out the thermostat, and then the heating element had 2 screws and then just slipped out. Once I did that, I double checked the continuity of the old heating element, and sure enough, it did not have continuity. And when I tested the replacement part, it did have continuity, so I knew I was good to go to complete the job. Slid it back into place, put in the 2 screws, reattached the wiring, and then I put the back on the dryer and attached the hose, put it back into place, tested it out, and it was good to go. All in all, it's pretty simple. If you have the tools, just pay attention to where you put your wires so you plug everything back in the way it should go, and good luck. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.